Wait inside. Let's see if we can have something to eat. We hungry. Woo! Sun hot. Wrong hot. Yo, it's windy today, but today is something special. Today is a special day, right? So, nevertheless, wait for it. Another thing, today is hunger day. We're real hungry and we are nothing. So, we're looking to go with that man there to get something, right? So, stay tuned for that tunnel. We're going inside. Let's see if we can have something to eat. We're hungry. Woo! Sun hot. Wrong hot.
Có mẹ nó mua có bớt đấy. Chúng nó bị giằng stack không giằng. Rồi rồi xin không.
Besides of me, when I go down there, I sink in on us. Nah, if it's full, I ain't coming in. My shed small, boy. Di ba kita cikong?
Nah.
Baik kita cuci water. Hah? Aku ini.
Kata cikong.
Itu dah cikong, dah cuci water.
Dua tak sini nanti tu.
Hah?
Dua tak sini nanti.
Alright. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Come on.
Come in. I got something to forget.
Trở lại.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Đi cá sấu.
Sorry, Lion. You can swim very good.
Đã có phượt chưa không? Không phải. Không phải sai.
Ego phượt đi 7 tiếng chân. Ego phượt đi 7 tiếng chân. Đây là ta cắt nó trong đây.
Cái swim line.
You can swim very good.
I guess so.
Không ai chết. Nào đấy mới đấy được.
Đấy vậy. Hey, let's not let them shit there. I will live with it on the Go on, boy! Come inside there, bro! Yeah. The next one, we're gonna come in.
will leave them here. And let me go. See what mommy doing. Oops, a little shaky.
Rap, you don't realize he's sinking. You have a hole.
Oh Lord. Alright, it might be a little shaky when I walk with walk a little. Hi kids.
Hi.
On devices.
Me and on our device.
Chrissy. Mommy, what are you doing?
Making chow.
Hungry. Wait, having chow?
Cucumbers, mango. We're going to put some tomatoes.
Yummy, I love tomato chow. We have oil. We're waiting for the fish. And we have pepper sauce in our water bottle. But that working. Never had a weekend. Let them know we're waiting for the fish.
Yo, yo! Try something again, we're hungry. We got the fellas that are starving, so we're looking to get something for them to eat. Come on across here now, record. Come in. Let's see if I can learn to swim. How you do swim?
Storyline, they can swim very well.
Looking for the camera one, right?
Huh?
First,
I think that I was going duck.
another duck? Yeah. We're going to roll fried duck now. Come, Shiva. Let me see her. Let me see her. Let's come out. Let me see her. You sing. You see that? Like that, I sing can reserve back there.
What's that mean boy swim?
He lying. He can swim very well.
Yeah, more I said I'm hungry. So I don't go and see to get something for them.
I not fella and I hungry. What happened there?
But she said we come to get some stuck, but nothing biting. We have no other choice. Last resort to get in there.
They're going
So-
back to feel out the fish?
Yeah, we're going to fill out just now. So stay tuned to see where we're going and get, what the catch gonna be like, and enjoy the rest of recording. Today's a special day. I'll announce it coming down to the end of this video. Alligator scratch up this man, right? So I know that choice. I summon fast, and I grab the alligator. You saw the alligator start to fight. You're bad. You know that all I fight the alligator and God. Captain Shiva bite my foot.
Oh Lord.
Captain Shiva bite my foot and then blame it on David. You know what? They say the father talk about Chinese. And I looking chunky. So,
Hey.
right? Stay tuned.
Fall down there, like we get a laugh.
I'm going on the up, right? Stay tuned for when I'm coming back down.
You could that one? What's this one?
You can barely see them in the water.
Wait, we're not too long for. Sorry. You don't think that will cut your hand. Really? No, try to put these. Yeah. You can't break.
Big fellas in here, girl.
It looks like a caiman coming out. You can stand up?
Huh?
You can stand up?
Hola, ¿qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa? Amiga.
Dad, hola, ¿qué pasa, señor? Uno será. That's not like.
Achai wala tu monkey ni dia.
Cut him.
Curry monkey dah still good.
Wait. Bye, Dad.
Ada curry monkey.
No.
Alright, we go put another gate. You call one Jojo and we call next one Sima.
I want to go big.
Remember the alligator was attack Charlie?
Monkey. Donkey.
They call it
Donkey.
Kong Kong.
What? King Kong. Another?
One is donkey and one is monkey. Your father knows three. You can see my call himself no, it's a koala.
Might sing right in. Sing. Hey, Ryder! Hey! You hold up? Yep.
I want to see it. Ah! Accountant, day one. Make up for me, squad.
Yep. You're picking up that?
Yeah.
That's how we doing it now.
Monkey, stop climbing the tree.
Old school styling.
You will kiss mommy after.
Hey, fella, give me the
Go on for the bag.
No, the bag in the water thing.
Okay, see.
After hard day work.
After hard day work.
Yeah.
And tell all you, we hungry? We just want to take something what we can eat. That's what we get it.
Very big.
Sati.
Uncle Charlie, hold that one.
Hey,
Yeah.
check your mouth in the video now.
Folks, I only hold two.
It's too
I
small.
only hold these two.
I thought I was too small or something. Hey.
Nevertheless, you see it here and you will see it there in a short while. Right? Nice. What going on there? Look what going on there. This was living approximately about 10 minutes ago. How fresher than I take it? 10 minutes or less, Gil? Less? She said less. About how much? About 5 minutes? 5 minutes. No. 5 minutes to clean it. And look where it is. Can't go wrong. What jam chair on them? Talk to me now. Oi.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you. Talk to me.
Nothing.
What's the name of all the channel you want to open?
VCA.
What that channel will be about?
Vanessa, Christian, Ariana.
Yeah.
What? Like they call it out there. Vanessa? What?
Christian, Ariana.
Yeah. What it will be about?
About like
Craziness.
craziness.
No, it will be about
like,
craziness.
and it will be about like making slime.
Not really. It will be about like
Well, this channel with 1,
Shiva.
2, 3 gonna be about madness.
yeah, it will be like
All kind of thing. All kind of thing.
fish.
I go start from the adventure, go down to the beauty salon.
And look, we're doing exercise in my town.
Well, look. They're doing exercise right now. Watch them. They're stretching and all kind of thing. Watch them now. Is the Captain Shiva in the house? Hey. Watch him blushing. You're all blushing these days, boy.
Actually,
Hey, it's too much of girls asking about it.
he sounds like
a donkey.
One man drunk and knock out here. I don't know what he asked he was drinking, but he knocked out.
No problem. Rasa ni yang ni macam
Fire like, wow. Wala man sa Philips, $20 sa gas, wala ko yan. Masa white wrong yung mood, boy. Where the hell is the season? Oh my God! Christine house today. Durum. What are you eating? Durum.
I am eating tilapia.
Well, you see what Greedy doing? Durum.
And look at your food already.
Durum. Oh my God! Look. All enjoying all yourself?
Yeah.
How much?
What do Papa sauce?
20.
Well, let's think. White.
Ah.
No.
What? Anyway, he had a lemon $14. You happy about that?
No. Take this for $14.
I'll take my $14.
All right, I get a meat for myself. You get no $14.
What? I want $14. Well, he only my $100.
This was living a couple minutes ago. Nothing more than 15 minutes. See everybody, it's all about the fun. Enjoying myself. Chilling out. Sun hot though. I 3 more pieces again to fry. She go and deal with it. I say you're gonna deal with it. I didn't say we.
Yes, Daddy, we.
Nope.
Stop lying.
I'm telling you.
Jay,
Oh.
kita tayo na siya ito frappuccino.
Stop na.
Tayo best party skin na rin.
Lady skin. You know I don't like skin.
What is skin? Yeah, but that all I pick up, so you setting me up already.
Oh, dapat siya na sa rapik. Yung man manot. We don't eat tilapia. We don't eat tilapia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, more.
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
Come on. Right. Guys, the stuff.
You know? Pepper?
Wait. That fire up there now. That fire coming from me?
Ariana likes it.
Yeah. Really tell police, don't she?
Yeah. She done had it like tension.
All right. Everybody. Everybody. Who let me fire?
What?
Everybody.
Ariana.
Who let it?
Who like that? And who like
Huh?
that?
I was in the water, how fire can light in the water?
Exactly.
Who let me fire?
Everybody, the fire? Who
light the
responsible
fire,
for the fire? Look, see there.
No, Ariana, it's not me.
She was rubbing into stick together. and it'll light up.
No, it's never worked.
Yes, it did. I see when it's spark and all of them run and leave you alone because you do it. Ole, AJ taking the blame for that fire, right?
Wow, now my water.
But then quite so. Right, this is how we doing it. Folks outside there, it's just a come out, relax yourself, enjoy yourself, and we'll spare time. You know, we just do it. We went and hold a few fish there. We went and do some work on the land and decided to hold a few fish them children and I'm hungry. And it's fried fish for it. But nevertheless, as I mentioned to earlier, today is a special day. Right? Very special. I say coming down to the ending of the video, I'll explain it. But I kinda hurry to do it now. I'm gonna come out of the sun hot. Alright, I go stand by the cars and I'm here. Right, folks. I just recently crossed 500 subscribers, right? And I want to thank you guys who subscribe to the channel and who support the channel a lot. And those who new, please subscribe. Those who watching the videos and ain't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I'm just asking. As I reach 500, we decide to do something back for you guys. So it will be one person will be winning something. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. Once you're not subscribed yet, comment on this video. I'm local. What you like about the channel? Who subscribed to the channel already? Just comment on the video. I'm local. What you like about the channel? And trust me, within the next couple days, I'll take all the comments. I'll do a random pick on one of them, and I'll be giving out a free trip down Blue River, a fishing trip. Oh, this is not a sponsor by anyone. I'm taking this upon my own self to give back you guys because I just recently reached 500 and I'm going. I just like the support. I enjoy the support, and you guys, I cannot be here without you guys. So what to do? We just want to give it back.
Yeah.
You have to be a subscriber and local. A fishing trip down the river, right? And at the end of the night, when I'm ready to draw it, I'll do a random pick, and one of you guys will be a happy guy. Now that doesn't say I'm gonna treat all my subscribers bad, because I have more times coming for you guys, right? So just stay tuned with this one, Trini Fishing Adventures, and have a lot more to come. Nice.